Welcome home. Let's make sure you know where everything is. Welcome to your home away from home. As you step through the door, boom, lights on your right. The first switch controls the bedroom, the second one lights up the bathroom. Feels like VIP treatment already, right? And those next two switches? They power up your heated towel rail and extractor fan, bringing those spa vibes straight to your ensuite. Now, about that bedroom light, here's a cool trick. Press and hold to dim it. Perfect for a little ambience, whether you're unwinding with a book or just setting the evening mood. To your left is the DB board. That's your power control center. If anything ever goes dark or a switch trips, just flick those toggles back up and you're good to go. Step a little further in, and layout-wise, the bedroom's right ahead and the bathroom's tucked neatly to your right. Let's start there. Inside the bathroom, you'll find your overhead shower, basin, toilet, and mirror. But here's the secret. That mirror's not just for selfies. Open it up. Inside, you'll find a handy first aid kit, a tiny sewing kit for those quick fixes, some mini lotions, and your backup stash of hand wash. Heading to the bedroom, cozy, right? On either side of the bed, you've got lamps with switches on the cables. Nice soft light for late night reading or movie time. And right next to them, a wireless charging pad. Pro tip, take your phone cover off before placing it down. It charges faster that way. Now those cupboards, let's talk storage. First one's the power closet. You'll find the iron, broom, and vacuum cleaner all neatly packed inside. The middle cupboard, that's your personal storage. Space for clothes, shoes, or luggage, and tucked inside is the safe. We'll get to how that works in a minute. The last cupboard's got hanging space, a couple of padded hangers, and some fancy robes to make you feel like hotel royalty. Okay, let's move over to the kitchen, the heart of the home. On your left, two switches, one for the overhead lights and another for the cupboard glow. Perfect for late night snack missions. If your appliances aren't lighting up, check those switches, especially the one near the coffee machine. Speaking of which, yes, that's a proper coffee setup right there. You'll find the capsules, mugs, and sugar stash right above. Below the counter, your trio of magic: microwave, dishwasher, and washing machine. Everything you need for short or long stays. Look above again, that's your kitchen storage heaven. Plates, bowls, glasses, and containers, all neatly arranged. In the cupboard above the sink, you'll find your spice rack, while the far right one has your small appliances. A food processor, a blender, and a smoothie maker for those healthy mornings. Now let's talk stove. Wall switch on the right. Flip it up to power the stove. Don't forget to switch on the extractor fan right above, especially if you're cooking up something strong or spicy. For cleaning, peek into the cupboard next to the washing machine. You'll find all your supplies there: dishwasher capsules, washing sachets, and cleaning sprays. Just toss a sachet straight into the machine with your clothes, easy. Moving on to drawers, the top one holds all your cutlery. Next drawer down, dishcloths, foil, cling wrap, and other handy kitchen bits. Bottom drawer, pots, pans, and lids, all the essentials. And if you're looking for the toaster, check the cupboard right next to the stove. By the fridge, you'll spot a little collection. A vase, some spare cloths, paper towels, and that small blinking device. That's your Wi-Fi modem. You're fully connected, no password stress. Now, into the lounge area. Right by the door again, your main light switches. The first one? Dimmable overhead lighting. Hold it in to adjust the brightness just how you like it. The second switch lights up the kitchen for those cozy evening dinners. Your TV and soundbar remotes are labeled, synced, and ready to go. Movie night made easy. And if you want some fresh air, check out the windows. Press the latch switch gently and push outward. To close, pull in and lock it down. Take a moment, look around. It's all yours now. From the mood lighting to the coffee aroma, from the plush robes to that perfect Wi-Fi signal, you're officially in control of this entire space. So kick back, relax, maybe make a cup of coffee or pour a glass of wine. You've just mastered the apartment like a pro. Welcome home and enjoy your stay.
All set! For more quick guides and local tips, scan the QR code in your apartment's welcome manual or open your TTvSA digital guest manual.